Metricool. Metricool is a digital Swiss Army slave for social media managers. So this also help you manage your account. It also help you to schedule your post and a lot more like that, which makes the website an easy and intuitive interface for you to use. You don't have to have an idea on how to go about it. Using the one get access to the dashboard, you know exactly what to do. So let's get started with their product. What are the things that it's time to use? The best available tools that you can use on this website just to make your work super easy. First thing, you get access to analytics, which help you to it keeps eye record on your data that matters, and also you get access to these competitors which analyze your competitions. You also get access to network reports at the click of a button. You also get this, which is the local studio. Then the hashtag tracker makes this hashtag tracker also to make it measures and flow your hashtag. You also get access to the planner. It also helps you plan your social media network. Your social network approve system allows your client to review your content, and also it gives you a smart link, which is the definitive link in bios. You also get access to artificial intelligence assistance with your AI social media assistance. You can also get this, which is an inbox, a comment, and a message management in one place, and also gain access to ads, which help you manage and measure your advertisement. Then also integration, which is the Google Drive, Canva, Adobe, all in one place, and the product update, which help you discover the Metricool new features from their website, and a lot more like that. Talking about the social media, Metricool offer a wide range of analyze about some cool social media which is time to use on the platform. You get access to the Instagram. So Metricool help you analyze your Instagram account. The same thing with your TikTok. They help you grow your TikTok account. Then your YouTube, measure programs and move forward. Also help you with a thread. They help you to schedule and analyze your thread, and also Twitter, the measure and publish tweets for you on your behalf, just to schedule everything in one place. And also Twitch, so they also help you analyze your channels and competitors. You also get access to the Google search profile and the blue scale. Then the Facebook, which is manage your Facebook like a pro, and the Pinterest, which get you grow on Pinterest, and also the LinkedIn, which help you analyze and schedule your personal and your company profile, which makes it super awesome. So these are the things. So if you have any of these social media platform, can just put in for these websites, then make your account today. Then for this, the social media management tools will help you out, monetize your account, and you can stand in the best out of your social media platform, starting from Instagram to TikTok, to Facebook, and a lot more like that. So let's check the pricing list for this website. So let's scroll down. So on this website, we also have the pricing list. The pricing list is divided into 4. They have the free trial, the smarter, the advanced, and the custom, which makes it the 4 random pricing list. But the first list, which is the free trial, is super cool. It's easier to use. Free per month for life, which is you're not paying anything, and you get access to management of all your brand's social media accounts, including your LinkedIn and Twitter. Also get access to planning up to 50 pieces of content per month, and also analyze of competitors' profile, access to analytics and 3 months of historical data, analyze the AI social media assistant. Then under the starter, you have to pay nothing less than $18 per month with an annual payment from $22 per month with a monthly payment. And then you have a bunch of tools to use under this plan. Then advanced plan, which is $45 per month, also have a lot of things to do, and the key features, which is all features of the starter plan plus. That is to say, you get all of these features right under his, and you also get some cool existing pro existing features under the advanced. Then under the custom, the price is not stated, so start from plan brand 50. You also get starting from 50 brand, and also you have access to all the advanced features, then with the custom features as well. Then that's it. So you can also pay in USD and also pay in Euro. This is the price tag for the USD. Then if you want to pay for, you want to use Euro to pay, you can pay this, which is 14 euros, 39 euros, and your custom price is not listed on the website. So as I'm talking about these two websites, they both offer a wide range of services, starting from the planning of social media. The report one has AI, report has AI assistants that help you with your social media account with a wide range of tools. So to get started with this website, just tap on startup free here, sign up here, click on the sign up button. Then from there, so once you click on the sign up button, then it takes you to the Metricool register page, where you can simply register your account, create an account, input your email, then create a password, which is name. Just going to put in a password. After that, we check the box, which is you've read through the terms and conditions. Then you are super cool with it. Then click on let's go. Now you're good. Now we are starting. So just to confirm this, you have to confirm through your email. Go to your email, then you confirm it. Then you can open my Gmail, or probably you sent. So I'm just going to go through my device to confirm the email. The email just landed in my Gmail. So for me to get this, I have to give access to the confirmation. So which is verify. So I'm just going to verify the email right now. Alright, good. So yeah, that's it. The email has been verified. Then once the email has been verified through your email, then can now proceed to the next step. Then you get account ready, and that's it. Find this video, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.